5 non-boring ways to maximize your productivity. You only have so many productive hours in the day. That's why peak performers often go to extremes to maximize their willpower and impact. Current coach of Leeds FC famously spray-painted a blue line on the public roads from his house to the stadium so he wouldn't waste an ounce of brainpower navigating his morning commute. Meanwhile, Zucks dons the same outfit every day so he can save his decision-making power for big moves, instead of depleting it deciding what to wear or what to eat for breakfast. The good news is you don't have to vandalize public roads or glean dirty looks from your cat for wearing the same smelly shirt. Here are a few simple ways to make the most of your daily willpower. TLDR, in a nutshell. Automate and delegate repetitive tasks like your meal delivery, coffee, wardrobe, laundry, cleaning, etc. Don't waste your best brainpower hours on shit that doesn't matter. Use social media as a dopamine reward in between tasks, not as your starter. Replenish your willpower using this new revolutionary nootropic PBMS that tech CEOs can't stop raving about. Doctors hate that guy that invented it. JK, just avoid sugary foods and highly processed fats. Going for a walk and mini meditations help too. When you're feeling depleted, push yourself a little bit more than you're used to. It'll help grow your capacity. 1. Automating the mundane. Odds are you've got a bunch of tasks you do every day that don't require a particularly high level of critical or creative input. And if a robot were affordable and sophisticated enough, you'd hand it off to them in a heartbeat. New York Times bestselling author Neil Strauss takes this approach when it comes to conserving his energy for writing. Strauss automates decisions by 2 criteria: repetition and enjoyment. If it's the same every day, and he doesn't particularly enjoy it, he automates it. He gets his meals delivered, plans his work clothes for the week, and gets his laundry picked up and done for him. A few more ideas worth considering. Getting one of those robot mops/vacuum cleaners, programming your coffee maker to turn on when you get up, and subscribing to the items you use daily: soap, shavers, TP, etc. More automation equals more time for what matters. 2. Dopamine microdosing. If cited research alone were enough to cure bad habits, we'd all be 100% optimized, healthy, perfect versions of ourselves. Unfortunately, most things in life are easier read than done. You already know picking your phone up first thing in the morning makes you less effective. So, how do you actually change the habit? You don't. Think of it this way. Don't stop using your phone. Use it as a reward. When you finish a high-value task, take a 5-minute dopamine break and check your phone. Or if you've got monk mode super willpower, wait till the end of the day to check social, crypto, Redfin, or whatever else you decompress with. 3. Better brain food. Until they invent some super serum, or you can download skills directly into your brain, getting into peak physical shape or mastering your craft takes time, willpower, and delayed gratification. When you eat sugar-heavy or highly processed foods, studies show it actually weakens your ability to make unemotional decisions, depletes your willpower faster, and makes you more inclined to seek instant gratification. Bummer. The good news is it works both ways. When you make healthier choices up front, like fueling up with nutrient-rich whole foods, it helps you retain more willpower to delay gratification and work on self-bettering tasks. So, if you want to have the energy and motivation to develop yourself in truly rewarding ways, ditch the sugar and highly processed fats. They're so bad for you, not to mention your performance and longevity. Plus, if science is bringing us closer to longer lifespans and singularity, you're going to want to be around to see if the robots win. 4. Making more willpower. There's a lot of scarcity around the idea of willpower, and while, yes, you don't have an unlimited daily supply, you can actually develop more. Research, yes, more research, shows that if you believe your willpower is limited, it is. This isn't just some positive Henry Ford quote you see plastered all over Etsy mugs. It's backed up. Similar to time distortion, the less you think you have, the less it feels like you have. The truth is, your brain gives warning signs the same way the low fuel light flicks on in your car. At this point, you know you've still got a few miles left, it's just your car's safety measures kicking in. When it comes to reaching your limits, when you feel like you're running low, push a little bit further. In the same way, doing one more rep in the gym builds your physical strength, pushing a little further helps you grow your emotional capacity too. 5. Recharging your brain. If you feel like you're running on empty or you've depleted your decision-making power for the day, You don't have to wait until the next day to replenish your reserves. Author of the book The Willpower Instinct, Dr. Kelly McGonigal, not to be confused with the esteemed professor from Harry Potter, says that you can recharge your willpower muscle through any practice that helps you increase blood flow to your brain. McGonigal says meditation, breath work, see our previous newsletter, and taking a short walk are especially helpful in terms of filling back up.